Brianna, and I'm so excited to be installing True and Pure Texture extensions. True and Pure Texture is a premium hair extension brand that caters to all textures. Today, I'll be wearing the Relaxed Natural texture, a beautiful kinky straight with a soft micro texture that looks incredibly real, and that's what I love about it. Relaxed Natural is their version of Kinky Straight, soft, full, and incredibly realistic. Each bundle comes with 7 sets of clip-ins. As a professional hairstylist, I really love working with this hair, not only for creating beautiful looks for myself, but for the versatility it gives my clients. This looks just like natural hair blown out. It's so soft, and that's what makes it so beautiful. This hair presses out beautifully while still keeping that natural, realistic texture. The beauty about this hair is how easily it customizes. You can shape and frame it around your face just like I've done here. This is the Relaxed Natural texture from True and Pure Texture, and I used 2 sets of clip-ins to create this look.
I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling.